What would you say if you could master 90% of French verbs in 1 minute? That's possible with a mind map, a French tree. So take the verb for to go up or to climb. Monter. The foundation is you remove the ER, that sounds E, so you get monte. But now the most basic rule is if you want to pronounce the last consonant of a French word, you need to add an I. The I activates the last consonant. Je monte, elle monte, il monte, on monte. And we even have tu montes. So with tu, you always add a silent S. Always. Il monte, elle monte. So with des, you always add a silent N and a silent T. Always. So did you notice that all what we have seen so far sounds the same? Monte. But with the plural you, the verb sounds like the infinitive form, the to form. Vous montez. And you always replace the R by a Z. Always. And the formal we is nous montons. So always on. O and S and the S is silent. So this pattern applies to all the verbs that end with ER. E. And if you like these French tips, I prepared you a free masterclass to help you to master most of the other French verbs, to print the French verbs in your mind. So I see you there.